Hi guys, thanks for joining me today as we work on matching the beginning sounds in words. So we're going to be listening very careful to the sound that the word starts with and looking for another word that starts the same. I'm using some food pictures. If you don't know some of these foods, it's okay. You just need to make sure that you're listening and paying attention. Okay? So my first food picture is some ham. Think about what sound ham starts with. Now, which of these starts the same as ham? Donut or hamburger? Let's check. Ham, donut, ham, hamburger. Once more. Ham, donut, ham, hamburger. I hope you picked the hamburger. They both start with for ham, for hamburger. Okay, our next word is cereal. Cereal. And one of these matches with the same beginning sound. Celery or nuts. So let's think about this. Cereal, celery, cereal, nuts. The starting sound. Cereal, celery, cereal, nuts. I hope you picked celery because celery and cereal both start with S. And now we've got some beans. And to go with the beans, either banana or oranges. So think about that. Beans, banana, beans, oranges. Beans, banana, beans, orange. What do you think? Beans and banana both start with ba. Now we have, don't say ew, because some people love it. Fish. We have some fish. Okay. And let's see, we have ice cream and fries. Which of these starts the same as fish? Fish, ice cream, fish, fries. Fish, ice cream, fish, fries. Did you say fries? Because fish and fries both start with okay. Now we have some chicken. Excuse me. And we have chips and burrito. So what starts the same as chicken? Chicken, chips, chicken, burrito. Chicken, chips, chicken, burrito. I hope you said chips because both of these start with chicken chips. Okay, this is our last one. Bun. It's a hamburger bun. Bun. Don't think of hamburger, think of the word bun. Now we have cantaloupe and butter. Which word starts the same as bun? Bun, cantaloupe, bun, butter. Bun, cantaloupe, bun, butter. You better say butter. I made a little joke because better and butter sound the same, and they both start with ba, just like bun. Can you say bun better butter 3 times fast? Bun better butter, bun better butter, bun better butter. Okay, thanks for joining me. See you next time.